Here's how to remove background in Canva. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first of all, you need to open your Canva app. Once it is open, then from here at the top swipe right and then tap on video option. After that, open this blank template. Once it is open, then here tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Then after that, here in search bar, search for the image. You can also select the photo from your gallery by tapping on this gallery option at the bottom. So now here tap on photos and then scroll down and select the photo that you like. Once you select the photo, then drag your photo to adjust to canvas size. Then after that, tap on effects option at the bottom, and now here you can see background remover option. Just tap on it. So now here, as you can see, background has been removed from our photo. Remember that this feature is available only in Canva Premium. So you need to purchase any of the Canva Premium plan to use this feature. So this was how to remove background in Canva.